How to troubleshoot dual monitor setup. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards setting. So for a shortcut, simply click Window plus I together to open the setting application. Then go to System from left hand side. Go to Display. Scroll down to search for multiple displays. Simply click on it and click on Detect. Even after when the devices are connected, if you see the problem of we did not find another device, simply head back from Setting, right click on the window icon in taskbar and go to Device Manager. Once the window of Device Manager open, simply go to Display Adapters, double click on the adapter, go to Property and go to Driver. Click on Update Driver. Choose the option of Search Automatically, and once you find the suitable driver with which you want to update it, simply click on OK and then you're good to go. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.